How to use a spreadsheet to calculate slope. Now, if you remember from earlier, slope, oops, I gotta find my pen. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1, because that's the rise. Your y-coordinates tell you how far up and down you are. So if you want to find the rise, you just figure out how much it went up. You subtract your y-coordinates, divided by x2 minus x1, because x tells you left and right, how far left and right something went. So, and slope is just a rate. So we're going to figure out the rate in which y increases based on how x increases. So if I'm going to calculate this slope, I'm going to go m equals 13 minus 5 over 7 minus 3. Well, 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So that tells me that it increases at a rate of 2. So for every 1 that x increases, the y goes up 2. And if I just double checked it, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if I'm right. So I'm going to make a table. X coordinate, y coordinate. 5 should go up 2. 7, 9, 11, 13. So yep. So for each one of these, hence the unit rate, for each one of these, the y goes up 2. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is how to do this on a spreadsheet, so you don't have to do these by hand for the rest of your time here. So if you look at this, this is our equation, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if I go to the spreadsheet, you'll see that I have x1, y1, and those probably don't need to be so big. So, and I have x2, y2. So all I have to do is type in equals and make sure I use parentheses properly. y2 minus y1 in the parenthesis divided by x2 minus x1. There you go. Now if I push enter, what did I do? Oh, my equation. If you look, I didn't put 13 in there, I put 3. So, let's put 13 in there. Oh, there you go. Look, it's 2. So, I hope this helps. You can use actually the spreadsheet to calculate your slope. Now, if I had another point, 5, 9, and, oh, I don't know, 13 and 25. So I had 2 more points here. I wanted to calculate the slope. Well, I could just do this if I wanted. And that happened to be 2 also. That was a coincidence. Let's see if this was a 3 and it was a mistake. Oh, well, I can just plug in my numbers and get what I want. Should I make something with a negative slope? This number would have to be larger than, say, 25. So let's try 42. And look, negative 1.7. Okay, so there's how you use the Excel spreadsheet to calculate slope. Works kind of slick, works kind of nice. You can do this with any equation. If you can come up with it, it's nice to use Excel to do this stuff for you.